Alrighty, another day, another unboxing. But this time, it's going to be 3 alarms. So basically like a smoke alarm trio. And these I'm actually very excited. And here they are. That's right. The Kidde 1285, the Kidde i12080, and the Kidde i12080A. I pretty much have all the versions of this. Except for the OG version of this, but that's too rare to add here to this lineup. So yeah, I am very excited for all of these. Let's get these two out of the way because we're gonna do the 1285 first. Here we go. There we go. Everything came out at once. The manual for 1285. Wiring harness was actually newer. I was expecting it to be a little older, like the older design. Tamper resisting, dust cover, and the actual alarm itself with its mounting base. It was made in 2006, May 17, a little newer than I expected. I'm pretty sure it has batteries in here already. There we go. Yep, it does have some batteries in here already, but I'm gonna take them out because I highly doubt they work. There we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna put some different batteries in because I kind of doubt these two work. Alright, put in some new batteries. And what is with this door here? There we go, I was able to loosen it. Alright, and this one's for the light. And this one's for the actual alarm. There we go. Alright, let's see how bright this is. It should be just as bright as the 0918. Whoa, that's cool. It's cool that it sometimes follows the horn pattern. I really like that. So yeah, that's a 1285. It's pretty bright if you ask me. Although it is kind of just as bright as the 0918 though, or it could be a tad bit. It seemed pretty bright to the eyes. Pry to open. Get these batteries out of here. Dying sound? No dying sound. Okay. I'm just gonna close this up and put it back on its base, because why not? And there we go. That's the 1285. And now we're gonna be going to the i12080, which is right here. Let's go ahead and take this out. Okay, no dust cover and no harness, but that's fine. Manual for i12020, i12040, and i12080. Get that out of the way. Alarm itself, and with the mounting base, and made in 2008, April 23rd. Should have its original batteries in here. Oh my god, this thing popped out. Let's get these batteries out of here while I try to fix this up. And it's corroded. Where did I put the other battery? Oh, there it is. There we go. Should work. Alright. Here we go. It's high pitched, but the light's not working. Must be because of battery corrosion. Alright, bear with me for a second. I'm going to try to clean up the connection. There we go. Oh, Did it fade out again? There we go, it's working this time. Yeah, this thing is pretty flimsy because of the battery corrosion. Yeah, unfortunately due to the battery corrosion, it's pretty flimsy. Let me try again. There we go. Alright, it works. It works pretty good. I'll find out how to clean up the battery corrosion eventually. Alright, dying sound? No dying sound. And it looks like the warning just popped out. Okay. Everything that can go wrong has gone wrong with this unit, unfortunately. Well, it's not like I'm installing it anyway. So yeah, I'll find a way to fix the battery door eventually. Alright, now, time for the i12080A. There we go. The wiring harness should be in here. Yep. And the tamper resisting is still in here. There we go. Manual, which just has the i12080A and i12080A. Dust cover again. Alarm itself with a mounting base. It was made in 2022, February 22nd. You should have batteries in here, yep. And these ones I can just pull right out. If only they want to. There we go, I heard a chirp. Alright, let's see how bright this is. Good Lord, this thing is bright. Hello? There we go. Yeah, that thing is so bright. Oh my god. This is probably the brightest escape light alarm I have. Oh my god. That thing is so bright. Like, I kid you not. Alright. At least the battery door on this one is improved. So it's not going to break just like the i12080. And there we go. i12080A. Opportunity for dying sound? Nope. I'm just going to place it like that. And here they all are right next to each other. Pretty cool units, not going to lie. And yeah, this concludes this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you again soon.